WordPress has a lot of core functionality that's available to everyone. However, the developers of WordPress know that you can't do everything for everyone. Therefore, one of the things that makes WordPress so powerful is the fact that they have opened it up to allow people to write additional portions of WordPress that's specific to what their needs are or the needs of other people like them. This is done through the process of creating and using plugins. WordPress comes with several plugins. And if you go from your dashboard to your left-hand menu and choose Plugins, you will see here are your list of 2 plugins that come with WordPress. First is Akismet, and second is Hello Dolly. Both of these are not active. You must activate these plugins. So much like a theme that you've downloaded and installed, your plugin remains inactive, not doing anything until you activate it. To activate your plugin, you simply move over to your plugin and click on the Activate link. When a plugin is active, you notice that it has a slightly different background color and a bar off to the left-hand side. You can also click on Deactivate it. Now, Hello Doll is a very simple plugin and doesn't have any settings. If I click on Activate for Akismet, though, you'll notice that it's active. However, it does 2 things. First, it says that we have to activate our Akismet account, and we also have a settings panel. Both will actually take you to the same place, and it's just a reminder that in order to finish setting up Akismet, you must create a new key and then insert it. Akismet is used as an anti-spam plugin and is considered one of the better plugins that you can use to help block, comment, and track back spam. However, these are the 2 that come with WordPress. There are actually thousands of plugins out there available to you. To find some of those plugins, you can either from the All Plugins list click on Add New up at the top, or from the menu choose Add New underneath Plugins. There are a couple ways that you can find new plugins to install on your WordPress website. First, you can do a search. Type in a search phrase and click Search Plugins. You'll notice from the search results that in this case we have 477 items specifically dealing with comment spam. Below you'll find your search results. Here they have the name, the version, a rating by other users, and a description by the author. I can click on Details, and it'll bring up some information, including what versions it's compatible with, how many times it's been downloaded, and what the average rating is. I can find a better description, installation information, screenshots, a changelog, which tells me what's changed over in between the different versions, and an FAQ. On my right-hand side, I can choose to install now, or I can click on the small X to close out this panel. All these plugins from the search feature come from WordPress.org, and these are all free plugins that are available to you. Additionally, the featured plugins are considered useful to a lot of people. There's just a few, and they're selected usually by someone on automatic staff. You have your popular tag, which are things that are popular right now and being downloaded a lot. You have your newest plugins if you're interested in seeing what's recently come out. These have been added usually just in the last few days. Of this list, you can see that there's over 30,000 items currently. If you administer multiple WordPress sites, you can define a favorite that you can use and mark as a favorite. That way, you can go and install them on all your WordPress websites. Now, the one option we haven't looked at is the upload. That's because all the ones we've looked at so far, as I mentioned, are free and on WordPress.org. However, what happens if you find another plugin, maybe a premium plugin that you've purchased? In that case, you go to your Upload tab, click on Browse, and find the plugin through your local operating system. You'll need to upload the zip file format, and once it's uploaded, you'll click on the Install Now button. That will install your WordPress plugin for you, and then to start using a plugin, you'll need to go to your Install Plugins and click on the Activate button. If you found this video tutorial helpful, Please like and share it with others. If you want to keep up with other videos that are coming out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. That way, you can get the most up-to-date information.